Welcome back to Luxury Car, where we explore the finest machines on the road. Today, we're diving into the exterior of the 2025 Ferrari F60, a car that blends power, performance, and design in a way only Ferrari can. So let's take a closer look at what makes this supercar stand out. First, let's talk about the design. Ferrari has always been known for its aggressive yet elegant styling, and the F60 is no exception. From the moment you set eyes on it, you're struck by its aerodynamic prowess. The body features sharp, clean lines that emphasize its speed and performance. Every curve and angle is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum efficiency at high speeds. The front of the F60 sports an updated version of Ferrari's iconic grille, sleek and narrow headlights with cutting-edge LED technology. The aggressive front fascia includes large air intakes designed to improve airflow, enhancing the car's stability at high speeds. Moving to the side, the Ferrari F60 displays a long, muscular profile, highlighting its rear-engine design. The sculpted sides not only serve an aesthetic purpose but are also integral to the car's aerodynamics. Air intakes along the flanks help channel air towards the rear, where the car's engine is housed. The rear wheel arches are pronounced, giving the car a powerful stance, while the door design is clean and minimalist, keeping the focus on the car's performance-focused elements. The F60 rides on lightweight, high-performance wheels wrapped in tires optimized for handling and grip. The rear of the car is one of the most dramatic parts of its design. The rear diffuser is both functional and visually striking, reducing drag and improving downforce. The rear end is dominated by a set of twin exhausts that sit at the center, flanked by LED taillights that maintain Ferrari's signature light signature. The rear wing, which is adjustable, helps balance the car at higher speeds, ensuring stability while maintaining Ferrari's racing DNA. But design is just one part of the equation. Let's talk performance. Ferrari's engineers have spent countless hours refining the exterior to maximize aerodynamic efficiency. The F60 boasts an active aerodynamic system, allowing the car to adjust airflow in real time based on speed and driving conditions. This means it can switch between high downforce for cornering and low drag for top speed. The car's underbody is designed to create a smooth flow of air, further improving stability, while the wide track width and low ride height ensure that the F60 maintains a planted and stable feel on the road. Another notable feature of the Ferrari F60's exterior is its use of advanced materials. The car's body is constructed from a combination of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, reducing overall weight while maintaining structural rigidity. This allows the F60 to reach incredible speeds while offering remarkable handling. Despite its large presence on the road, the car remains nimble and agile, a true testament to Ferrari's engineering expertise. In terms of color options, Ferrari offers a range of bespoke hues for the F60, but the standout has to be the classic Ferrari red, with its vibrant, glossy finish. However, Ferrari also offers matte finishes and custom shades to suit the unique tastes of every owner. The attention to detail in the F60's paintwork is exquisite, ensuring that every inch of the car looks as good as it performs. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari F60 represents the pinnacle of automotive design and engineering. Its exterior is a harmonious blend of form and function. Every curve, line, and feature has been designed with performance in mind. Whether you're admiring its aerodynamic prowess, its aggressive stance, or the advanced materials used throughout, the F60 is a true masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship. Stay tuned to Luxury Car for more in-depth looks at the world's most exclusive vehicles. Until next time, drive in luxury and performance.